him about. Esum dining. Nothing can walk.
It's a penalty. So why you
Think of him and say, oh, pray your rain fuel. Your rain fuel,
looking at the
Jenya Yabewa. Yes, Renya Mimo. Omo one wording.
this particular game.
Aninyansa.
Because blending
Na
with
fashe kui mayenda.
the old is another problem.
Na na ye wusu.
And that is what is
Wusu kan ubio. Yes, Renya Mimo muda.
one. The agency is
Oh, say
not there for the Kotoko team.
Kwa brapong.
Look at even when
Oh, say pachi. Munya nyame muwa
somebody
muda.
who is leading is jogging into the
Alhaji Ademu.
and you guys
Ya
are
Lawson.
looking as if nothing.
Allen Jima.
You need to
Munya
support
yes,
that.
Remuda.
See, every 50-50 goal
Nasia ni adimam.
there has been, they won it. This is not that
Yadamase, 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 Yadamase. La no wusu. Asante Kotoko. Barapon. Asante Kotoko. Kopi mense. Since Yadawasienso. Nano poku are. Yadawasienso mo freda wasienso. Yahweh. 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 Namima wa dina. Yadamasa.
Look at the one that the defender blocked. He's standing in front of you and you are shooting the ball. He's not transparent for you to shoot through him. And then even scoring, blessing, we just pass ball into the net. We don't shoot. So you should have taken your time and buried it.
I want Prado with a poor pass. And our Papa will release this man, Amoa. The ball declared by Kelvin Osei once again.
Kelvin Osei should join the Army Benghazi. He has so much passion, and he reminds me of one no-nonsense defender I used to play with back in the day.
First half.
All the fans are screaming, go, go, go.
Let's see. In swinger comes in a good one. Headed out. But first of the ball is Lord Amoa for Kotoko. Cross comes in again, a 4-1. And it's been cleared by Hasselfolk. And referee has blown for the end of the first half here. And Hasselfolk will end the first half with that notice in front. That goal from Hamza Issa. The difference in this afternoon's encounter here at Accra Sports Stadium. So end of play, first half score. But this is where he'll go for the direct shot. Will he does so, a good one! Hits the upright. Chance still for Kotoko, shot comes in. It drops, chance still, shot comes in. And what a miss from Albert Amoa. He cannot believe it. He just cannot believe his eyes. That was a glorious chance for Amoa. Look at it again. Shot was brilliant from entry. Came off the upright. A chance to look at it. Amoa had space to pick a spot. He could not. And he has missed it.
Brilliant free kick, my Benghazi. And he went direct for it. The goalkeeper had no answers to that. Trust me, if he had found a target, it would have been.
Oh, come again now through Amidou. Cross comes in, a goal! It is a goal! Lasso! An own goal attempt
Of Abdul Karim Zito.
No emotions. Even though his team has just pulled him in, little emotions there. But the Freemans will come again now. On the ball, nice, Kakari Martin. He goes to the field now, shot comes in, and that was a poor round from Kakari.
At the start of the second half, Benghazi, I told you that Kumasi Asante Kotoko have been one of the teams with the most comebacks in the Ghana Premier League this season. And right from the blast of the whistle, they've shown good, a chance, has a
goal! With the finish for the Warriors. There it is, long ball into the half of Hasselfolk. Controlled there by Kampoku. It dropped to the Adams cross to Amoa. And beautiful cutback and a finish. Easy as it is.
And
Two finish there for Kampoku.
again, Konedu at fault, Benghazi. Konedu was found wanting. He had to deal with the ball.
For Asante Kotoko, Baba, Yaya, John Kotoko from Kumaskin Faisal. And look at that. Rafael Amponsan is pushing Asante Kotoko. And referee will not have any of that. Referee says, yellow card if you misbehave. And that's so.
Well, he's taking his time to get off the pitch. And again, the emotions would come. It is not just a President's Cup. Anytime it is football, Asante Kotoko, well tried.
Asante with a chance. A shot comes in and it flies over the upright door. That was coming in from Ransford Mensah. It drops though and will be cleared by Asante in midfield now. Good ball over the top, looking for the run of Kakari Martin. But that ball comes in, is in block. Referee says what? Penalty! Referee has blown for a penalty for Asante.
Drama, Benghazi, pure drama. And look at Kamara. Kamara walking to the referee, disagreeing with that call there. But it is football for you. And as I said, the referee would always have the final say. And this time, referee.
Konedu Yadom leaves the door for Amankwa Emmanuel. So Amankwa Emmanuel for Asante with a penalty against Mohamed Kamara. Amankwa v. Kamara. Amankwa versus Kamara. Kamara in your shots. Amankwa here for Asante. 84 minutes played. Penalty for Asante. Will this be the leveler? Amankwa will have to go in. Amankwa Kamara. Will it be the leveler here? He goes in, he shoots, it is saved. What a miss from Amankwa Emmanuel. He went in, the run-up was poor, and he has missed the golden chance for the Phobian club.
And look at Karim Zito. Karim Zito is up on his feet, but it was a poor kick from Amankwa. Goalkeeper Kamara decided to stay put to his spot. He didn't move, and he was there, and he was gifted a ball. Well, don't forget that Kamara gifted a goal, and he's been gifted a penalty. A good decision-making, but a poor one from Amankwa. The fans of Asante could never forgive him for that poor kick. Trust me, if the goalkeeper moves, it would be a great goal. But this time around, it was a poor kick from Amankwa.
A poor one side for Kotoko. He comes in field. Peter Amidou. He finds Emmanuel Entry. Entry with a good pass. Amwa is onside. Cross comes a chance. And what a miss from Kampoku. He had a gaping goal. Again will come through. Amidou gets the ball to pass his man now. It is a 3 versus 4. Referee has blown for what? Referee has blown for what? He has blown for offside. Wow. Let's see it again. Where's the offside? He goes in for the ball himself. Kampoku was the one who was off. He didn't go for the ball. So where was the offside here? Where was the offside here? Ball headed though. Hasbrook again now. Runs for Mensah. Good ball to Kakari now. Chance for Kakari. Goes in full now. Chance for Kakari. It's a goal! But the linesman's flag is up. The linesman's flag is up though for offside. Linesman's flag is up for offside. Look at it. Kakari with a chance. Let's see the replay. One past his man. And the cross came in. He was clearly offside.
He was offside, Benghazi.
He was offside.
He was offside. Good call.
He was clearly